Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Pernille. Today I'm going to jailbreak this first generation iPad mini to reuse it in future projects. You don't need a computer for this, it can all be done in the Safari browser. I will be using the iOS guide linked in the description. But first I need to know what version this iPad is running. So I go to Settings, General and About, and I can see the version is a 9.3.5 version. So with that in mind, let's open Safari. Also, it's a 14-year-old iPad, so the web interface is maybe not loading correctly all the time and the text can be jumbled together. But I have an iPad mini and I can see on the version table here that I need to use the Carbon jailbreaker. For that, let's open Carbon. I will install the certificate just to be safe. And let's press run on the Carbon jailbreak. If it says this that there was a problem with the website, just try again. It can sometimes take multiple tries before it works. If you see this, then it's working. Now the iPad has rebooted and Cydia has been installed, so let's open this. I'm going to do an essential upgrade. Confirm. Hopefully Cydia doesn't crash. This can take some time, so just let it run and don't exit out of Cydia. Okay, Cydia is shut down, but let's try and open it again. Okay, Cydia opens, so that's okay. So right now the iPad is in a semi-tethered state, and that means if it shuts down or reboots, you'll have to start over because the jailbreak is not complete. It doesn't save the jailbreak, so we have to find a program that does. This one, IO cast untethered. This will make the iPad fully untethered, so that it saves it when the iPad is rebooting. This can take some time, so just let it run. If Cydia survived the reboot, then it means that the iPad is now fully untethered and will stay jailbroken even if it reboots. And Cydia is right here, so the iPad is now fully untethered. We have now jailbroken the iPad. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this short video. Please leave a like, a comment and subscribe. Thank you.